Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Styx Master of Shadows game black screen issue or stuck on black screen or white screen issue on PC. And this is for the Epic Games users. So without wasting time, here follow the fixes. Now the first fix is to make changes in StyxGame.ini file. So open File Explorer and on the left click on Documents. Then open My Games folder, open Styx folder, open Styx game folder, open the config folder. Now look for the StyxGame.ini file. Now open this Styx game file, right click on it and then select open with notepad. And then look for the Be Launch Safe mode. Here it is. Now set it to true. It is false by default. So set it to true. And then click on this file and then click on save. And please take a note, do not close the notepad file, keep it open. Okay, and then launch the Styx. So go ahead and launch the Styx, which will open in windowed 800x600 resolution at lowest graphic settings. Now restore your usual display options, apply continue in Styx, and then restore the value Be Launch Safe mode in Styx.ini to false, save and exit. And then again open StyxGame.ini file and then set this back to false. And then set Be Launch Safe mode back to false. And then save it. And then close it. So follow this fix and I hope your problem will get solved, because this fix has solved the issue for many players. So I hope this will work for you as well. Fix 2. Modify the game launch options. So you can try -DX11 or -DX12. So open Epic Games, click on this 3 dot next to the game and then click on manage. Toggle on launch options and then type -DX11. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to manage. This time type -DX12. Close the tab, launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then again go to manage. Remove the launch options. Toggle it off and then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 3. Windows security users allow the game exe file to control folder access and firewall. So in Windows search type Windows security and open it. Then click on virus and threat protection. Then click on manage ransomware protection. Then click on allow an app through control folder access. Click yes to allow. Click on add an allowed app. Click on browse all apps. Now go to the game installation folder. Open C drive. Open program files folder. Open Epic Games folder, open Styx Master of Shadows folder, open Binaries folder, open Win32 folder first, then select Styx game exe file and then click open to add it to the list. Again click on add an allowed app, then click on browse all apps, go back. Now this time open Win64 folder, select Styx game exe file, click open to add it to the list. Now go back, click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Click on change settings, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files folder, open Epic Games folder, open Styx Master of Shadows folder, open Binaries folder, open Win32 folder, select Styx game exe file, click open and then click on add. After adding it, make sure both private and public is ticked mark. Again click on allow another app, then click on browse, go back. This time open Win64 folder, select Styx game exe file and then click open and then click on add. In my case it is already added. Here it is. Check mark both private and public and then click OK to save changes. Now go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. If not, then if you are using any third-party antivirus programs such as Komodo, Avast, Kaspersky, AVG, McAfee, Norton, Bitdefender, ESCT, then you have to allow the game exe files to your antivirus program as well. Or you can simply turn off your antivirus program and then check. Later you can enable your antivirus program. Fix 4 is to perform a clean installation of graphic card driver. So if you are having NVIDIA graphic card driver, then go to this NVIDIA website. If you have AMD graphic card driver, go to this AMD website. If you have Intel graphic card driver, then go to this Intel website. Links are provided in my video description. So what you have to do, you have to search and select your correct graphic card driver and then reinstall it. And then you can launch the game and check. I am showing the example of NVIDIA graphic card driver. So go to this NVIDIA website and once you are on this NVIDIA website, enter your graphic card driver version over here, then enter operating system and then click on find. Now you have to download and install the GeForce Game Reader driver. So whatever is the latest version, you have to download and install it. So click on view, then click on download. And once this exe file get downloaded, then run the downloaded exe file and select yes to allow and then click OK. You will see this screen. Click on agree and continue. Then select custom advanced option and then hit on next. Then tick mark perform a clean installation box and then hit on next. And after the clean installation of graphic card driver is done, just restart your PC and then you can launch the game and check. Fix 5, run the game on dedicated graphic card driver. So in Windows search, type graphic settings and open it. Click on add desktop app. Now browse to the game installation folder. So open C drive, open program files, open Epic Games, open Styx of Master Shadows folder, open binaries folder, open Win32 folder, select StyxGame.exe file and then click on add. After adding it, look for it. Here it is. Now next to GPU preference, select high performance. Now again go to the add desktop app, go back, open Win64 folder, select StyxGame.exe file and then click on add. Now specified app was already added. In my case it is already added, so I have to look for it. So look for it. Here it is. You can see it is Win64. Now next to GPU preference, select high performance and then go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 6 is to run the game from the game installation folder, or run the game as an administrator, or try running the game in compatibility mode. So open Epic Games, click on this 3 dot next to the Styx Master of Shadows game and then click on manage, and then next to installation click on this folder icon. It will open the game installation folder. Now open the binaries folder, open Win32 folder, first open Win64 folder. Now look for the StyxGame.exe file, double click it and then try to launch the game and check. If that doesn't work, then right click on it and then select properties. Now go to the compatibility tab, check mark run this program as an administrator, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then tick mark run this program in compatibility mode 4. From the drop down select Windows 8, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, from drop down here select Windows 7, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game and check. If it's still not working, then tick mark disable full screen optimization option as well, hit apply, OK, and then launch the game from here and check. If it's still not working, then untick all these 3 boxes, hit apply, OK, then go back, open Win32 folder, look for the StyxGame.exe file. Do the same thing for this exe file as well. Run the StyxGame.exe file in compatibility mode, in admin mode. So do the same thing with this exe file and then check if it is working or not. If not, then follow other fixes mentioned in this video. Fix 7 is to verify the game files. So open Epic Games, click on this 3 dot next to the Styx Master of Shadows game, then click on manage and then click on verify next to verify files. And after the 100% of the verification has been done, then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to install Visual C++ files. So go to this Microsoft website. Link is provided in my video description. So once you are on this Microsoft website, scroll down and download both x64 version and x86 version. You have to download both the version. Now first click on x64 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. Next click on x86 version. Now if you see repair option, then click on repair, and if you see install option, then click on install and install it. And then just restart your PC, and after your PC restarts, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 9 is to update Windows. So open Windows settings. On the left click on Windows Update, then click on check for updates, and if there are any updates available, then download and install them, and then just restart your PC once. And after your PC restarts, go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Now if none of the solution work for you, then the last solution is to uninstall and reinstall the game. So simply uninstall Styx Master of Shadows game from your PC, then just restart your PC and then reinstall the Styx Master of Shadows game to C drive, SSD drive. If already installed in C drive, then try installing into another SSD drive or external SSD drive, and then you can go ahead, launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. So by following these fixes, you can easily solve Styx Master of Shadows game black screen issue, or stuck on black screen, or white screen issue on PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.